Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn, and it's mine today.
Go.
All right. So today we're having the most amazing, simple thing. It could be just one ingredient if you choose. Purple cabbage. And this is a,
We wore purple to celebrate our purple cabbage.
Yeah, we could even have purple flour in our hair.
Or in the compost.
So this is going to be roasted purple cabbage that I learned about from my niece and her husband, Jane Cryle and Will Klein. And I like to start out by cutting just the end here because I want this to be stable, because I'm about to cut this into 3/4 inch pieces. And Jane, would you...
1/4 inch? That's like a 1/2 inch, Mommy.
This is my idea of 3/4 of an inch.
Oh, I just said 1/4 inch. That's 3/4 inch, yeah.
3/4 of an inch. Would you think, put these on the tray, please, Jane?
The tray should have probably ideally been on the other side of it.
Well, I need to keep you busy.
Ah!
So here we have these great slabs of purple cabbage. And
Some
you know
of them
what?
have unwieldy hair, kind of like
Well,
mine.
no, but the crazy thing is, the unwieldy hair is just, okay, Jane, you can see, it'll all scrunch in. It'll all scrunch in. And even these little pieces, scrunch them in because you're not going to believe how good the little scrunchy pieces are. Then, next, onto this you could put nothing, just pepper, if that's your choice, and put it in the oven. But
look at this beautiful top shot. It just looks so pretty.
But what I'm going to do right now is put some lemon pepper on top. This is made by Well Your World, and I like them. They have very nice things with no added sodium.
We'll have a link for Well Your World coming in.
All right, and then a little lemon white reserve balsamic. I'm just going to sprinkle.
If people don't have lemon white reserve, what do you recommend?
Nothing, or a balsamic, or nothing. Jane, you could put a little garlic in. You thought that you should do that.
Some garlic salt, not garlic granules. Sorry, just garlic. I don't want.
Oh, Jane,
is that too much?
No, we'll see. We'll see. This is new. And then on top of it all, I am just going to give a little sprinkle of this lovely white lemon balsamic. And then into the oven it goes. The oven should be at 375 for 45 minutes. And because we didn't want to keep you waiting,
I'll put this in the oven.
While Jane puts that in the oven, I will remove another one from the oven. And here is the done one. And you're going to think this looks crazy, but it is so good. I like these hot or cold. And what is so fun, you see these little pieces? Can you hear the crunch? Crunch.
Oh, can I?
So crunchy and good. In fact, really, the little crunchies.
Good. Yeah. Wait. Taste that.
Oh.
Ooh. I think we should do the whole thing in those separate pieces. This is going to have a little...
It tastes like a chip, kind of.
It tastes like a chip.
Yeah.
I know, it's amazing.
It's amazing.
It's amazing. But
does this get too soggy?
No. The rest are not as crispy, but I tell you, they are so good.
You just grab it like that?
Just grab it.
It's like crispy topped.
It's so good.
And
really tasty. But I've had leftover of these. They're really good the next morning cold.
You know what? I would almost like to have this on one of our veggie burgers as a layer of like...
Oh,
like you know the crispy onions? What are they called? What else onions? What else? Crispy onions?
Sauteed onions? No. Crispy onion ring onions?
What am I thinking of?
Onion rings, no.
Oh.
Brian, crispy onions? What is that?
Yeah, they're deep fried.
Oh, So crispy onions are usually deep fried, but these are.
You can bake them and make them good, but this.
I know, but like that ingredient, like having a layer of that on a burger, in a sandwich.
Like crunchy.
Like it's crunchy, but it also has like some savory to it. Oh, anyway, back to yours.
I love.
What are you calling these purple cabbage things?
Overnight in the oven, purple cabbage.
Overnight? No.
Oh, no, that was something else.
So, Mommy, what are these called?
Well, this is a new thing.
Yeah.
And I think I named them purple cabbage in the oven.
No. No.
I don't have a name yet.
I think it should be crispy, savory, purple cabbage. Slabs.
Oh, slabs. But you know what? Don't forget the little pieces, those little many other pieces that you can put in.
We're workshopping this, if you can't tell. So enjoy.
Go for it. Just
workshop.
try it. And if you don't have anything to put on it, just put it on plain. It still works.
I think to advertise what this is, crispy, purple cabbage slabs.
Jane is so good at names.
The overnight perhaps
Overnight in the oven
I wouldn't
doesn't
say I'm
work.
good. All right, bye.